Hello there. My name is Kunik Kapadi. I'm one of the co-founders and head of sales here at Anova, and I'm here to walk you through the new and improved version of our platform. Just to take a quick step back, Anova is a generative AI software built specifically for marketing analytics, and we help marketing and data teams solve a lot of the day-to-day pain points they experience when it comes to analytics and reporting by leveraging the power of generative AI. So everything from querying your data, building visualizations, developing dashboards, writing insights and recommendations, things that can take hours of manual time, our system can now facilitate in a significantly faster and more efficient way by leveraging artificial intelligence. Our platform has a very seamless three-step workflow. You connect to your data, talk to your data in natural language, and then you can refresh any data conversations for future use or to build dashboards. Connecting is very straightforward. We have pre-built connectors with a lot of the marketing platforms you see here and are constantly building out new connectors. And we also have the ability to connect to custom marketing data you may have housed in a database or data warehouse like BigQuery, Redshift, Snowflake, and other similar platforms. Once the data is in whatever system you're connecting to, all you do is input a few pieces of information like a few IDs and your login credentials, and you could be up and running in as little as 30 seconds. Now, once you're connected, that's where you can start having these natural language conversations. So I'm going to flip over to the Converse tab, select the data connection I just created, and ask the AI for exactly what I want. So give me cost conversions and CPA by site and campaign for last year. Also give me a performance analysis of the data with specific takeaways and recommendations. So here's what's happening behind the scenes. We're taking this question and we're converting it into the appropriate query. We're then running the query against your data set and returning the results to you in two ways. One is a visual representation of the data, and two is the raw data so you can see all the numbers. We also give you back a little QA environment so you can validate that the AI did everything correctly. We know that AI is not going to be perfect, and we believe in giving all of our users the transparency they need to QA the results and ensure they're looking at accurate data. In addition to that, the raw data is going to be supported by the insights and recommendations we ask for to help contextualize the results. So hopefully you can see that all these steps, right? Building the query, retrieving the data, building the visuals, combing through everything and pulling out the insights and recommendations are things that can take hours of manual time, and our system is going to be able to accomplish all this within a few seconds. Perfect. So you can see that the AI came back with an overview of the data, focusing on the sites and campaigns along with conversions and CPAs, the main KPIs. It has the key takeaways right here, along with our recommendations on how to improve performance below. So it gave us exactly what we wanted. We also returned the results to you in our live tile that you see right here. The tile has multiple components. First is a visualization of the data that can be fully customized. So you can select what chart you want to look at, select theming options, what data you want to plot. All of that can be adjusted here. We also give back the raw data, again, fully interactive, so you can sort, filter, and download to Excel. And these two tabs are the QA environment that I mentioned. So if you're a technical marketer, we give back the query that was generated by the AI so you can validate that the AI did everything the right way. And if you're a non-technical marketer, we give back a natural language explanation of what the AI did. So this way, you can validate that it took all the correct steps, and if there were any issues, tell the AI how to modify the results using a follow-up prompt. Now, in my opinion, the coolest thing about the way we've architected our platform is it's not just a single question and answer. You could have a full conversation with the AI and modify the insights, the visual, the data, all through follow-up prompts. So let's say I want to do something like plot CPA and site in a pie chart and focus the insights and recommendations on Google Ads and Meta Ads since they spend the most money. And this functionality allows marketing and data teams to go through all the different combinations and permutations of their data at a speed and scale that's really not possible in today's world or using manual processes. And we really look at and wanted to build a platform where the AI is a collaborative partner with you, not just something where whatever the AI spits out, you have to take it or leave it. You can work with the AI to iterate on the results and give it context and nuance and all that subtlety that it isn't aware of until you get the information you want in the state that's most valuable for yourself and your clients. Perfect. So you can see right here that the insights are now updated to focus specifically on Google Ads and Meta Ads, along with the recommendations for each platform right here. And the visuals also been updated to be a pie chart with CPA as the main KPI. So hopefully you can see all the different possibilities here in terms of the ways you can slice and dice the data. I don't want to bore you with more examples, but I'm sure you get the gist of it. In addition to that, you can also save any of these tiles so you can rerun and refetch data in the future without having to talk to the AI all over again. So let's say this tile right here, I like it, I plan on reusing it, it's all QA'd. I can just hit save tile right here. And now it's going to be saved in my tiles view that you can see here. This is a repository of any tiles across any data conversations that I've saved previously. So everything is housed here. You can go down, refetch data, and it'll grab the latest batch of results. In addition to that, you can also use these tiles to build dashboards. So let's say I want to add multiple tiles into a single view. I can just hit add to mosaic or create mosaic. Mosaic is our fancy word for a dashboard. And select all the tiles that you want to add. And now when you click on mosaics, you'll see that all those tiles are here in this drag and drop interactive grid system. So you can move everything around. Whoops, that got a little crazy there, but you can move everything around right here. Select what type of chart you want to look at. Again, like I said, let's say I want to adjust the theming options. Change this to a line chart like this. And now I can save this dashboard and share my workspace with anyone else on my team or any of my clients, and they'll have access to this as well. So hopefully you can see how Anova helps you go from data to insights to dashboard in a fraction of the time it currently takes.